Oh god, the game's lagging. Oh god.
Get the hell out of here, stupid pig.
The fuck am I looking at?
Fuck the cops.
He's coming.
No!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Okay, that's one thing to spawn into. Okay. I was killed by cake. Oh my god. Oh god! No! Stop! 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 What is this hell? No! No! Fuck. Fucking die. Just, I don't care who or what's going on. I don't know what's going on. I just loaded into this. I am in hell. Oh god. No!
Go forward, go forward.
Fuck! What is going on? Oh shit.
Dude.
Oh my god.
Guys, it was me. What the hell?
Why is there so many dead bodies?
Hello, welcome to the Holocaust. Run away.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
My fucking eyeball because you piece of fucking dog.
Oh god, no! Don't, no. Oh god.
Tell me happy birthday and hit me with the cake.
Oh god! Never mind! Can't do that! Oh fuck! What is this? What is this birthday hell?
Hey. Got him. Sorry, man.
No, please don't! Please don't! Please don't! Please don't! I keep. Don't kill me, please don't kill me. I just died. I just spawned. I just spawned. Don't kill me.
I'm not. I trust you.
I just keep waking up and dying. It's in repetitive hell.
Dude, Rust is a repetitive hell if you didn't notice.
Yes, but it's way different this time. Everyone just keeps saying happy birthday and killing me.
I know, Sam. Dude, let's be a team, bro. I trust you.
Sure, man. Do you have any weapons whatsoever? Oh shit. The fuck? What?
Dude, accept the invitation.
Oh, how do you do that?
And you, hey, stay away from my friend.
Oh, that was almost me. Oh shit. I don't think I have Steam open. I just... Oh fuck. Oh god.
I'm sorry about that, man.
I have a hat.
Okay, bro. You want to be part of the team?
Have that
Here.
cake. I think you deserve it.
Oh god.
Oh, yeah, see that guy, I don't know what he did wrong, but he died.
He wasn't advertiser friendly.
But I'm advertiser friendly.
But you're not. So that means you have to die.
Oh my god,
He's
there's...
attacking the nakeds. Get him.
Oh, Jesus Christ. What is going on here?
There's so many people.
Get it!
Yo, kill everyone who isn't in the team.
Okay. Oh god.
We have one more slot for a recruit though.
Get him, boys. Get him.
There's a guy over here. There's a guy over here. There's a guy over here. Yeah, kill him.
Very badly. Just to let you know, I've already eaten my birthday cake.
This is fucking weird.
On this server.
Too bad.
Oh my god.
Too bad you dead now,
You-
boy.
Get him. Get him. Get him.
Oh god.
I gotta go, boys. I gotta go. Protect my body with your life, okay? Bye, boys.
All right. Now let's rob him. Okay. What the hell?
Oh no! There's
Oh god, no. Oh god, no. Oh, there's guys dying everywhere around me. It's hell. Not again. Save me.
no bad words, no bad words.
I hope you brothers.
Oh, thank you.
Stacy's mom. That's
Okay. All right. Stace.
Oh no, is this a funeral? Is this a funeral for a fallen comrade?
There's a non-family friendly YouTuber over there.
Oh, family friendly.
Oh god.
Family
They're
friendly.
family friendly, everyone here is family friendly.
We got a mic spammer, boys.
What the
Spamming is not
fuck? Which one's doing that? Come here. Okay, which one of you fucks?
I mean, might not be advertiser friendly, but it still sounds pretty cool.
Screaming at the
Hey,
link to
Mr.
the viewers
Dickman,
is
get outta
family.
here.
You need to
Get
be
outta
family
here.
friendly.
Get out of here. Go on, get.
Yeah, get out of here.
Jesus Christ, run! Run, boys, run!
The crossbow. Who took the crossbow? There was a crossbow on the floor.
We are family friendly on the server.
Boys, there's men with guns. They are coming.
We have to kill Stacy's
They're
mom or
coming
else
to
sleeping is not family friendly.
Oh god.
We must run, boys. They will end us.
go.
Oh, what's this?
We will ride
He
him.
erect, but he also... I don't know. That's all I had.
Oh my gosh, it's
You're gonna
the
sing it,
freaking
sing it right.
non-family friendly. You freaking mother trucker.
That is...
Stop.
No. That was demonetization.
Instantly, actually.
That was worse than copyright sounds. That was an insta ban.
Got a bounce.
Let's not go that way. In the
We
jungle, that might be
we call the
jungle.
non-family friendly people the fricker frackers, okay?
We got an attacker, boys!
Attacking people is
Get
not
him,
very
boys!
friendly.
That was not a good idea.
Yeet.
Or something.
Okay, guys.
I got hit by something, I don't know what that was.
Wait, Big Papa, can I get your spear? I don't have anything. I need a spear. Please, sir. Thank you, I love
I
you.
was
Jesus
walking up with the
Christ!
crossbow guy on the rock.
Oh!
Kill the guy on the rock.
The crossbow guy on the rock.
Get him.
Yo, get the heck out of here, man. You're not family
Oh my
friendly.
god.
I got him, boys! I got
Yeah.
him!
We must kill the non-believer.
Yeet! Yeet!
Yo,
Jesus Christ!
Ah, I'm down. Help me.
He's low, boys, he's low!
boss. I'm helping you,
low.
boss.
He's low, boys!
Oh shit, where'd my chainsaw go? I can't see Dick.
Get him, you fucking bitch. Get him. Help me up. Help me up.
Does anyone know where my chainsaw went?
In the forest of dark unknown places, the depths of hell.
Protect.
Yeah, bloody legend! Oh, thank you! I owe you my life.
Oh my god,
Hey, boys, I got some corn.
Oh.
Sand
I will help you up.
Take this fence. Take this fence.
Yay.
Alright. Does anyone got any food? I'm about dead.
It's okay, we're all about dead. We are the fallen comrades. You have a spear?
These people have food.
My spear.
Oh.
Thanos strip. Thank you, my man. What a very, very kind individual you are, yes?
I've got my sacred sword. My sacred family-friendly sword.
Now,
It's okay.
we shall go to the southern complex and kill everyone in our path. We are the clan.
Yeah.
We are the Zergs
Yeah,
of
Oh,
Rust.
you can't say kill. That's not family friendly.
Conquerors of all. We are the peacekeepers.
No,
We shall commit
What the fuck?